he could be like Nip and Bug. Rode through my hood, Linwood Ave, 14K my neck, 3.5 my wood. Know my word is bond. Said I got you when that's understood. Finesse the wood. That's why they call me Lil Red Robin Jug. The product good. You know they coming back just like they fucking should. I wish you would. I kill you where you stand. Correction where you stood. Misunderstood, devilish nigga. But my intentions good. My heart so numb, can't get no more fucks. Sometimes I wish I could. But with you, this shit is kinda different. And I admit your love so pure, only the sky's the limit. Not in a rush, don't move so fast. I know that time is ticking. Can't love you better. That's some goddamn niggas speaking fiction. Your love addicted love.
It's me and Elijah. So what's up, YouTube? Y'all comment down below what y'all want to be called. Like, it was the UK game, but we changed our name to Tommy and Keisha. So it's not the UK game no more. And there go Kane. I took his braids out, y'all. That's why his head looked like this. Say hi. I gotta wash it and get it all together. I did my hair. So y'all, I don't like my baby hairs is so like curly that it just look nappy. So unless I put some stuff on there, but I don't like always putting that in my hair. Anyways, so y'all, I just want to show y'all my little studio that I got together. It's nice. There goes Caesar. Say hi, Caesar. Look at my bathroom. I'm not doing a house tour, y'all, but look at my bathroom. It's so beautiful. And then here goes my studio. I'm not done. Here's my backdrop right there. Then this is my mannequin, the TV. Got 3 sewing machines. Ignore this bed, it's moving. Then the dresser, all that, whatever. Yeah, it's an open space, but I'm probably gonna put some more pictures on that wall and stuff. And yeah, it's not done, obviously. I literally just did this much, so I still got a lot more to go. And I'm gonna buy a O-ring light, a ring light. I said an O-ring light. You like to like these floors because they hard. And what else, y'all? That's all I just want to show y'all. And because we haven't been vlogging very much, because another new schedule. I'm working a different job and I'm working full time in the kitchen right now. I'm a manager, but look at my underarms. Woo. I'm working full time as a manager at Wingstop, so I kind of really don't have time to vlog, but I'm gonna make time for y'all. I promise to make time for y'all. I'm gonna make time for my fashion. I'm gonna make time for Elijah Kane. And if y'all don't know what Elijah Kane is, that is my son, but he has a brand and it's called Elijah Kane. I'll talk more about that when the time approach. But and right now, that's why we was doing this morning. Really was setting this up, and we gotta go get Tommy from work. And then I have to go to work after that. So I pick the camera back up when we go get Tommy and let him tell us how his day went on everything. Let him tell us how his day went and all of that. And my next couple videos will be a lock update. A lock update, 1, and then 2 weight loss journey video update. We can do an Elijah update because I know I used to tell you all about him. Now he just a munchkin. He's just a little munchkin now, but that's my baby. I'll give y'all some updates on him. So that's 3 videos, and then the 4th video was a interview part 2 for NFL Kane, because he dropped another mixtape. If y'all didn't listen to it yet, I put it like right here somewhere, right here in this area. It's called No Cosign Please, and it got about like 7 or 8 tracks on it. Kind of hot. You can go listen to it. You should really go listen to it, for real. Yeah, that's it.